All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about Hamster Coin. Well, this coin is up 92% in the last 7 days. Last time we talked about this coin, it was up 700%. It appears that it's still going up. So we're going to talk a little bit about Hamster, what's going on with Hamster Coin today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Elon Musk likes the Hamster Coin. We're going to talk about that a little bit. All kinds of good information. Our vision here on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. To learn about it, educate themselves on it, understand it. What is cryptocurrency? How does it work? Why is there all these different blockchains, Polkadot, and all these different coins? Why is there so many coins? How does it work? So that's why we plug into this channel. Let's go ahead and jump over to Hamster Coin. All right, over here at Coin Market, Hamster is ranked 2843. Taking a look right there. It is up 92% in the last 7 days. That's right, everybody, 92%. In the last 24 hours, this coin is up over 44%. Let's go ahead and click it. Now notice this. This is the part I like. 57% up in the last 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So just like the Shiba Inu was crushing those zeros and it's been crushing it, Hamster Coin is trying to crush these zeros. There's 7 zeros in there, and then there's a 36.95. Again, this coin is up anywhere from 43 to 55%. It kind of fluctuates right there. What is Hamster Coin? It says right here, the Hamster token goals are financial freedom and are not affected by the negative causes of the market fluctuation. The Hamster token tried to be useful in society, and the Hamster token is going to be a hard working for the useful community forever. So let's go ahead and jump over to Hamster Coin's website. Over here at Hamster Coin's website, as you can see, you kind of got the whole world right there. I wanted to kind of show you this. If you click this, and it kind of goes and resets itself, what kind of happens here is it kind of spins around here, and now all of a sudden Hamster Coin appears and the whole world kind of appears. I don't know, I thought that was kind of neat. I just wanted to show you that. So what is Hamster Coin? So it says the idea. Why choose Hamster? Well, it says the transparency, the community, trust, and the longevity. So transparency, it says right here, Hamster Coin is decentralized and supports by a community of enthusiasts. We encourage a constant open communication and believe in trust, transparency, and communities are the 3 pillars to building professional success. So one of the key things is transparency. Next thing is community. Hamster Coin is one of the fastest growing and most loved communities in the crypto. We believe that only united we are strong. Community is everything, and Hamster Coin strives to promote unity within its team. Longevity. Hamster Coin is in for the long haul. The decentralized community is fostering and adopting long-term developments and effects which is consistent, beneficial to all involved. And last, and of course, but not least, trust. Trust. For success in business, trust is paramount. This means full transparency not only in the community and development, but also in security efforts. So with that so far, now here's a coin that's up over 90% in the last 7 days. Probably most people haven't heard of Hamster Coin. Of course, Elon Musk has. We're going to see what he has to say about the Hamster Coin. There's 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. And these coins like to crush these zeros. For people that are investing in these coins, this could be a good return. Now remember, all our information on this channel is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's jump over to Elon Musk real quick. All right here. Hamster Coin increases in value by 500% after a simple comment by Elon Musk. Now, this was a month ago, but take a look here. Look how excited and happy Elon is. Now, Elon, he just loves the hamster. He's got the shirt on. He's excited. He's tweeting about it. So what does it say? Talking about Elon Musk and the power of his words on a certain crypto asset. A simple tweet from the owner of Tesla and SpaceX raised the value of Hamster token by 500%. The billionaire did it again with the simple answer. So right there, you got some celebrities talking about the hamster. Let's go back over to the website. So the last thing we were talking about is trust. So what's going on in the media? Hamster Coin in the media. So we got a couple things here. We got the Twitter account. So obviously just the beginning. So you can go to the Twitter account. Knock, knock. Who's there? Hamster. Yep, you know that. Over here, coming soon, the Hamster Swap. So Hamster Swap is coming soon. Right there in the middle of the page, Elon Musk. Hamster has mad skills. So yeah, Mr. Musk thinks the Hamster has some mad skills. You know, the tokenomics, 4% of the Bitcoin will be redistributed to the holders. 4% will be used to fuel the liquidity pool exchange growth. 4% of the Bitcoin is allocated to buyback and the marketing wallets. The ecosystem, Hamster coins that are unlocked within a certain period of 50% of the supply will be burned with the CEO of Twitter, Jack. 50% of the supply for Pancake Swap sales has no main owner. All decisions has been taken solely in favor of the Hamster community. The roadmap for 2021, they got everything mapped out here. The first quarter, what they were doing. The second quarter, the third quarter, their starting point. Build the Hamster ecosystem idea and building the core team. Quarter two, they built the website. They started the Hamster Coin version. They pre-listed the supply, the 50% burn. Quarter two also, they did the Pancake Swap. Coin Market Cap was listed with Coin Market Cap, and they also got a listing with CoinGecko. Pretty big things in the second quarter. In the third quarter, they did the audit, advertising and marketing, Hamster Coin development studies, the pre-meeting with the crypto market exchange, and bam, here we are in the fourth quarter. What do they got going on in the fourth quarter? And they got the first quarter of next year too. In the first quarter next year, yeah, you know it. Take a look. There's a surprise here, so that's why we're talking about this. In the fourth quarter, a listing of Ham at the first minor exchange, Hamster Swap. So all kinds of good stuff going on right there. What exchanges is Hamster listed on? It's on Pancake Swap, everybody. It's on xt.com, Hotbit. So you can go to any of these exchanges. All right. So here we go, the Hamster Coin. So up 92% in the last 7 days. Last time we did a video on this a couple weeks ago, it was up 700%. Hamster doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. It's got those 7 zeros right there. Of course, they want to crush it. They got an awesome roadmap. They're going into the fourth quarter. Don't forget the first quarter of next year, there's a surprise. You better believe we'll be talking about this all the way up to the first quarter. And then when the first quarter is here, we'll be talking about it again. So kind of like the Hamster Coin. Give us your comments in the bottom what you think. My prediction is it's going to keep being in the news and people are going to see a like in the Hamster. And I think some of those zeros are going to get crushed. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. So Monday through Friday, we bring you video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturday and Sunday, we bring you video around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Friday, as a bonus when something pops or something's going on or something that's just really good and I want to bring it to you and we don't want you to wait till the next day. So sometimes we do a bonus. So thanks for tuning in every day. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and y'all have an awesome day today.